Make pinwheel sandwiches. Pinwheel sandwiches are sandwiches that are rolled up to form circles. This is a great way to serve sandwiches if you have parties or to make your kids eat more. There are many recipes for pinwheel sandwiches that make use of different ingredients. If you love bacon and cheese, this is a pinwheel sandwich recipe that you will surely make over and over again. Learn how to make pinwheel sandwiches by reading the steps below. Ingredients to prepare. The ingredients that you need to prepare for this recipe are white bread, condensed milk, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, bacon, and cheddar cheese. Prepare and measure the ingredients. You need about 20 slices of white bread. Cut the edges off the bread. Grate the cheddar cheese and measure 2 cups. You also need 1/4 cup of mustards, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 1/2 pounds of sliced bacon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the pinwheel sandwiches. Prepare the bread by rolling them out with the rolling pin on a flat surface. In a small mixing bowl, combine a can of condensed milk, Worcestershire sauce, and mustard. Stir the mixture well. Lay the sandwiches on your work area. Spread the condensed milk mixture on top of the sandwiches. Add bacon slices and then sprinkle with cheddar cheese. Roll the pinwheel sandwiches. Now you can roll the pinwheel sandwiches. You can split the sandwiches in half to make smaller wheels. Make sure that you pack and roll the sandwiches tightly. After rolling, secure the sandwiches with a toothpick so that they won't budge. Place the prepared sandwiches in the refrigerator to chill. Bake the pinwheel sandwiches. When the sandwiches are cool enough, place them inside the oven and bake for about half an hour or until the bread turns slightly golden brown. Serve the pinwheel sandwiches while they are still hot. These are the steps in making bacon and cheese pinwheel sandwiches. You can use other ingredients to come up with different kinds of pinwheel sandwiches. Other ingredients that you can use are ham, cheese slices, tomatoes, spinach, cream cheese and many more. You can also make cold pinwheel sandwiches with cucumber, mayonnaise, and other ingredients best served cold. Visit the websites below to learn more pinwheel sandwich recipes, pinwheel and roll-up appetizer recipes. On this website, you can view plenty of pinwheel sandwich recipes and roll-ups. Some of the recipes that you will find here are beef and cheese pinwheels, cheese and apple pinwheels, asparagus roll appetizers, festive holiday pinwheels and many more. These recipes are good to make for parties and special events. iFood, Pinwheel sandwich recipes. iFood has a collection of pinwheel sandwich recipes that you can make at home. Some of the recipes have pictures so that you can see what the finished dish looks like. Some recipes that you will find here are pepper pinwheels, ginger cheese pinwheels, devilled ham pinwheels, chicken pinwheels, and many more. You are sure to find a pinwheel recipe with your favorite ingredients.